Hello everyone, welcome to House's Kitchen. Today I like to share my chicken carrots and onion stir fry recipe with you. This is a very delicious, quick to make dish. You can make this for dinner after your busy day at work. The sauce is flavorful. The chicken pieces are very tender and juicy. Let me show you how I make it. We start with two medium-sized onions. Cut the onions in large pieces. Then take time to separate the layers of onion. This will take a little bit time, but it helps a lot during sauteing them. Next, cut two carrots into smaller pieces, then cut those smaller pieces into tiny strips. This helps you to cook the carrots very fast. Next, we cut a small piece of ginger into tiny pieces. Please, folks, remember we don't want to, use too much ginger because the ginger taste is gonna take over the taste, the overall taste of dish. So we use a small amount of ginger. Next, we crush 6 cloves of garlic, then mince them all. Next, we cut 6 pieces of green onion. Separate the white portion from green portion. We use the green portion for garnish at the end of cooking, and the white portion we mix it while we are cooking. This white portion will provide a mild sweet flavor to the dish. Next, it's time to cut our chicken. We slice two large boneless, skinless chicken against the grain into thin, uniform strips. I would say about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick and about 2 finger wide. This will ensure fast and even cooking. Next, we marinate our chicken pieces. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 small glass of water. Then mix well and make sure all the pieces are combined and fully coated, and put the mixture aside. Now we are ready to cook. In a larger skillet, heat up 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then add all the chopped carrots and saute about 2 to 3 minutes until they become a little bit soft. Next, add onion. Folks, if you can tolerate half-cooked onion, only fry the onion for about 1 minute, so you make sure the onion pieces have some bite to them. I have to cook a bit longer for myself until the onion pieces are fully cooked. I would say about 3 minutes. When onion is cooked, transfer them to a plate and put them aside. Using the same skillet, we add 1 or 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or any of your favorite oil, and then add ginger, garlic, and green onion, the white portion of it. Saute the ginger, green onion, and garlic for about maybe 30 or 40 seconds. Then add our marinated chicken to the pan in a single layer and try to saute or fry the chicken pieces until they become golden brown. When chicken pieces are all cooked and golden brown, return and bring back onion and carrots into the pan. Stir them well and make sure that all pieces are well combined and all flavor combined together, and all the pieces introduce themselves to each other. Next, add 1 cup of chicken broth and stir them well so that the pieces and chicken broth get together and combined well. Then add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and mix well again. Next, we have to prepare cornstarch slurry. Simply mix equal amount of water and cornstarch, and then make sure that the cornstarch is dissolved in water, and then we can add to the dish. Mix well, and now you notice that the sauce is thickened. Now it's time to add the green portion of the green onion that we chopped earlier. Give it a good toss and make sure that all the ingredients are very well combined. And just like that, your delicious dinner is ready to be enjoyed. Look at this gorgeous dish. Isn't it fabulous? Does it make you feel hungry? Serve this gorgeous and delicious stir-fry onion and carrots with some rice and enjoy dinner. Okay friends, I hope you try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please let me know in a comment. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day and thanks for watching.